Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. We are in the stages of wrapping up the school year, which is crazy. I've got this fun activity for you to do. If you are all caught up with everything in this class up to this point, this is a fun extra thing that you can do and keep for yourself, share with your family, share with me definitely. And yeah, so long story short, this is a fun extra thing. Okay, so this isn't going to be graded, it's not going in the grade book. It really is just for you. And definitely share it though, okay? Because I would love to see what you guys make with this. All right, so like I said, if you're all caught up, this is something you could do. If you're not caught up, if you've got some things that are still missing, an art of play activity, some other assignment, then we've got the remainder of the school year to get that work in so I can grade it for you and get you caught up. All right, so what's this activity? This is a virtual time capsule because this is such a crazy, interesting, unprecedented time, as everyone says. It's going to be really interesting to capture what it was like in different ways and look back on this. So, this is a virtual time capsule. It's going to hold information, photos, tidbits of what life was like right here, right now, that you can look back on in the future. So I've got this all in Google Slides. It was made by an awesome educator who is way more savvy with Google Slides than I am. And you're going to go File, and you are going to make a copy of the entire presentation. Then you can rename it like Jack's time capsule, Sally's time capsule, whatever. And then it's yours to edit because you can't edit directly on this. So as you scroll through here, it says, although this time in your life can be very scary and uncertain, you are living through an important time in history. In the future, students will learn about the coronavirus pandemic in school, and you may even have little siblings or cousins that will ask you questions about the year 2020. Time capsules are designed to provide people in the future a glimpse of what life was like in the past. In this virtual time capsule, you'll create artifacts about your life right now that you will be able to look back on 5 or more years from now. This is your opportunity to share your unique perspective on history. Directions. So there's a choice board they're going to notice, and I would like you to try to pick 5 activities you want to do on this. Complete the activities, save it so you can look back on it, and you could even print out the completed activities too, so you have a paper version. All right, so these are activities: letter, interview, article, survey, picture, playlist, player card, essential items, bucket list. And they have a little overview with each, and then you can click there to bring you directly to the linked slide, okay? Or you can just scroll down to it. All right, so for instance, the letter activity. Here you can type right onto this slide in your own copy, and you can write a letter to yourself in the future. Include information about what your interests are right now in the present and what you hope to be like in the future. Make sure to include a greeting and 2 body paragraphs and a closing. Okay, so I got fun things here. Interview an adult in your life. Kind of already did something like that for one of our art projects. Find a credible COVID article, link it so you can look back on that. What's the COVID playlist? What have you been listening to these days? Snapshot of the school year. Write a little caption. Get to know my favorites. You could always look back on that. That could be a lot of fun. A few quarantine essentials. What are your essentials over quarantine? And then your quarantine bucket list. And all these have awesome little explanations in the corners. So again, make a copy, complete at least 5 of these slides, although you could do them all. That'd be really awesome. Save this so that you could look back on it in 5 years, or print it out and stash it somewhere in your room where you know it'll be safe. Usually people bury time capsules, but this is a digital one. All right, so this is a for fun activity. If you are done with everything in this class, we're all caught up. After Labor Day, you had to breathe a big sigh of relief. Congrats to you. You are awesome. You're all awesome. If you're missing something, you're still awesome, but you're going to want to go back and do that missing assignment, late assignment, and turn it into me. so that we can get you rolling into summer. Okay. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Have a lot of fun with this. Again, it is optional. It's all choice driven. So if you choose to do this, great. Share it with me, share it with family, all that good stuff. Have an awesome day.